This video will cover how to download, install, and configure the HIPAAsuite Eligibility Responder as well as some basic functionality. First, download the software from the HIPAAsuite.com website. After opening the package zip file, extract both files, run setup.x. It will check for and update any missing dependencies before installing the software. Click through the setup screens, accepting the trial license agreement and selecting a different installation path if desired. After installation, the software will need a little configuration. First, fill in the company information fields under Setup, Company Setup. All fields marked with a red asterisk are required. Now, open Application Setup and select the directory in which to write the response files. We are now ready to manually respond to an eligibility request. I will be using an example 270 eligibility request. After loading the request, I can view it by clicking the EDI Viewer button. Clicking the Run button with the Manual Process option selected will bring me to a screen where I can see the request in full and decide how to respond or reject this request, and how detailed my response will be. Clicking the Save Response button will save my changes, and I can now close this window and return to the request grid. Clicking on Create Response File will create a 271 EDI response to this request, which I can then view and send to the requester. And this concludes the tutorial. For any doubts, please refer to the manual, which can be viewed as a help file or PDF.